Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So we got a lot to discuss today. We had a Fed meeting as well as a bounce, good old bounce. I meant to post this video Sunday night, but I got sidetracked with a few other things. So, however, this will be a recap for over the weekend and today as well. So, one more thing. Don't mind this. Me signing in this thing. I decided not to sign in on this just because this is going to be all over the internet. Um, and then this one, I tried to log in. It wouldn't let me log in. So yeah, having the same thing again, having the same thing again. So let's get to it. So Bitcoin dips below 104,000 amid $600 million liquidations. Bitcoin price fell below 104,000, leading to over $600 million in liquidations, the highest since February. The drop was influenced by Trump's tariff increase on Chinese steel and aluminum, causing a broader market sell off. Yeah, he's back at it again. But however, I feel like retail and I feel like traders are not going to react as much as they did earlier this year. All right, moving on. IG Group becomes first UK listed firm to offer retail crypto trading. IG Group, a major UK based online trading firm, has become the first London Stock Exchange listed company to offer retail clients in Britain direct trading of crypto, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Excuse me. This move reflects rising this move reflects rising market demand and marks a significant step towards mainstream adoption of digital assets in the UK. Man, that is very bullish. Now we have a whole different type of people in the world about to start trading crypto. So yeah, if you guys don't have any Bitcoin, please buy some. Please buy some. All right. In India, India to release crypto regulation discussion paper in June. India is expected to release a discussion on paper. It's in, India is expected to release a discussion paper in June 2025 outlining policy options for regulating crypto assets. This move comes amid increasing global acceptance of digital currencies, particularly influenced by Donald Trump's recent support of crypto. This is bullish as well. So now we got the UK and India. That's about to go crazy with crypto. All right. Let's move on. Uh, oh, crap. Hold on. Bear with me. All right. All right. So, hey, this is the forex that I use, Awanda. This is my forex that I use. Anywho, moving on. Major U.S. banks plan digital dollar stablecoin. Major U.S. financial institutions, including Bank of America, J.P. Morgan Chase, Citigroup, and Wells Fargo, are reportedly collaborating on creating a digital dollar through a stablecoin tied to the U.S. dollar. This initiative coincides with the U.S. Treasury decision to cease penny production by 2026 due to the high manufacturing costs. What that just told me was that eventually all coins were going to stop eventually. It might not be in the next 5 years, but eventually it's going to go away. And then it's going all its money is going to transfer into crypto. It's going to transfer into crypto. That's just my belief. All right, I am going to murder this name. Uh, Nigel Farage pledges crypto revolution for London at the Bitcoin 2025 conference in Las Vegas. Reform UK leader Nigel Farage pledged to spearhead a crypto revolution in Britain, announcing plans to integrate crypto and digital assets into the financial mainstream. He unveiled the Crypto and Digital Finance Bill, which proposes a 10% capital gains tax on crypto and the establishment of a national Bitcoin reserve within the Bank of England. That is another major bullish article. Another another bullish article. All right. Now moving on to the Fed meeting earlier today. Wasn't much said, but Federal Reserve officials signaled they're still open to cutting interest rates later this year, depending on how inflation and employment data evolve. Governor Waller emphasized that if core inflation continues to ease and the labor market remains stable, he will support a rate cut. However, new tariffs introduced by the Trump administration may increase inflation and unemployment, creating uncertainty, which that part has already been done. Dallas Fed President Logan said the Fed is in a good position to remain patient and wait for clearer economic signals. The next FOMC meeting is scheduled for June 17th and 18th, where updated projections will be released. Yeah, that's it for the news. Hopefully, we get a rate cut. Hopefully, we get a rate cut in the next week or so. The next week or so. Well, I mean, 2 weeks. I'm sorry, 2 weeks. All right, moving on to the signals. Moving on to the signals. Signals. All right, let's get on to the basics. Everything is green. Blah 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 blah. Like a wedge on the 12 hour. It's a wedge on the 12 hour. You see that? Let's move that up. Yeah. So, prices about to break out on the 12 hour. 12 hour. Let's see. ETH has been going very well. ETH has been going very, very well. What are these trend lines on? The 6 hour. Yeah. ETH has been going very well. I can delete that one. Yeah, ETH. See, we got the three white doves right there. It's looking good. Continuation. Let's look at a little Solana. The bounce has happened. This could be considered a what is it, a head and shoulders on like a 2 or 30 minute. Yeah, I'm going with a head and shoulders, shoulder, head, pop up. What about Pepe? As you can see, I haven't been on Pepe within the last couple of days. Over the weekend, I haven't been looking at Pepe. However, um, price bounce, guys. Price has bounced. I wish I could make this video a little longer, but yeah, man, price has bounced. Like it's bouncing hard. It is bouncing hard. Uh, yeah, I mean everything is just once Bitcoin starts to flow, basically everything else starts to flow. Dominance is down. I mean all these altcoins gonna go up. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance is trending down so far. What about total three? Total three, yes, total three. And a nice, what is this? A megaphone. Boom, boom, boom. A flag. Boom, boom, boom. So we should be looking for a breakout to the upside. Yeah, it's definitely going back up here. Continuation, breakout, continuation, breakout, continuation, breakout. That's what we're looking. That's what we're looking. That's where we are looking. What is our ZBCN doing? It definitely bounced. It grabbed that 30-day. It grabbed it. It grabbed it. It grabbed it. So that's bullish still. That's bullish still. What else? What else? What else? What else? Fart coin just because the name of it. All right. Wedge. Should I looking for a breakout very soon. Very soon. Maybe tomorrow night. No, tomorrow morning actually. Yeah, because it's we got three more. We got about 4 hours left, and then this is at 1 a.m. and then 7 a.m. and then 1:30. So yeah, potentially the breakout should start actually breaking out tomorrow afternoon. That's what I'm looking for. All right, let's moving on. Moving on. Doge. Same pattern. Same pattern. What about this? This scam coin. That's what I'm calling this. A scam coin. A scam coin. What about Bonk? Looking good. What about the US? What about XRP? Where is it? Right there. Yeah, buddy. Do I got it? Yeah, I gotta move that. Let's update. We just gonna do a little update, y'all. What was it? A 6 hour? Yeah. Just looks good, man. Just looks good. What else? What else? What else? What about Sui? It's another one. Yeah, I didn't do any charting this weekend, to be honest. with with the majority of these things, I didn't do any charting. Any charting. Now, since that is up, done for, I did want to reach out to you guys, and I compounded a list of what I'm going to start trading. I was looking at these penny stocks. I think I had these when I first started this YouTube channel. These penny stocks. It's just not enough volume in there for me. Just not enough volume. Just not enough volume. So this is what I'm going to be trading for now on. Stock wise. Yeah, cause the volumes look good. I can buy full shares. Yeah. Let's move on. Oh, I let's see something. Let's see something. So I joined this. I joined this. I joined the first one earlier this year, and within the last couple of weeks, well, since the last leap, Let's see if it's even out here. Let's see if it's even out here. Um, it should say like the last completed contest. What am I looking at? Was it April? No, that was a different country. Well, I think it was February. Yep, it was February. Yep, it was February. I I gave up like the first week. The first day, people had like $1 million. I'm like, how are these people making $1 million in the first day? Pretty sure, everybody is up 13,000. I don't know when this stuff, you know, I don't know if this is live or not, but my numbers, it's not on here. Now, it is still time. I mean, you can definitely still get in. I believe it's up to the end, I believe, that you can get in. So let's look at how I am doing. Let's look at how I am doing. So there is limits on how much you can purchase, how much you guys can purchase. About an hour ago, I was up like about 5,200, something like that. Yeah. I wonder if I can. Cause we got an hour left, and it's on the 6 hour. So yeah, that's definitely. No, I don't see nothing. Unless that's the trend line. Ooh, yeah. I think that's the trend line. And then once it breaks down, come back down, it's going to break up to the upside and keep on running. Oh, look, I'm back in positive already. But yeah, Ethereum is my best trade so far. Best trade so far. I know you guys can see this pattern already. Um, I actually stopped drawing trend lines on some of this stuff because I'm able to see it. But yeah, I got in right here because I saw the reverse already. So now I'm just looking for a breakout to the upside. Look out for the breakout on the upside. But yeah, this is a video for today. You've been watching We Here Now. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm X. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.